ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે ટુ વે ક્લાસિફિકેશન એનો ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ જોયો હતો. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 2, કમ્પ્યુટ ધ વેલ્યુ ઓફ આર x and y given in x -20 to -10, -10 to 0, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, in y 3, 5, 7, 9. Now we will prepare our table in which there are, in x there are 4 column, in y there are 4 row. So 4 column plus 7, that is 4 plus 7, that is 11. Now we have to draw 11 column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Same way in y there are 4 row, so we have to draw 11 row. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now we put the value in the table, that is x and y. First of all x. In x -20 to -10, -10 to 0, 0 to 10 and 10 to 20. Same way in y 3, 5, 7, 9. Now second thing, put the frequency in the table, that is this one, this blue one table, 4, 6, dash dash. Now 3, 7, 5, dash dash, 8, 2, 5 and dash dash 5, 5. Now second thing, we need to find out middle value, that is first of all middle value of x, -20 to -10, that is -30, -30 divided by 2, that is -15. Middle value is equal to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. -20 is lower, -10 is upper, that is -30 divided by 2, -15. -10 to 0, that is -10 plus 0 divided by 2, -5. 0 plus 10, 10 divided by 2 plus 5, 10 to 20, 30, 30 divided by 2, 50. In same way in y no વર્ગ ક્લાસ is given, so જ્યારે ક્લાસ ન આપેલા હોય તો that is our middle value. Same value is our middle value, that is 3, any middle value 3, 5, 5, 7, any middle value 7 and 9, any middle value 9. Now second thing, we have to find out frequency total, that is row wise total of frequency and column wise total of frequency. Now first row wise, 4 plus 6, that is 10, 10, 3 plus 5 plus 7, that is 15, 8 plus 2 plus 5, that is 15, 5 plus 5, that is 10. Total of this f is called n, number of observation, that is 50. Same way total of this column, 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 7 plus 8, 21, 5 plus 2 plus 5, 12, 5 plus 5, 10. એનો ટોટલ પણ 50 થવો જોઈએ, that is 7 plus 21 plus 12 plus 10, that is 50. Now next column dx and dy. Next આપણે find કરશું dx and dy. What is dx? Dx is equal to x minus assume mean of x divided by class interval of x. Assume mean આપણે આની પહેલાના લેક્ચરમાં પણ વાત થઈ ગઈ હતી કે જે ફર્સ્ટ નાનામાં નાની જે ફ્રીક્વન્સી હોય, નાનામાં નાની જે વેલ્યુ હોય એને આપણે અઝ્યુમ મીન કહેશું. એક્સની અંદરનો અઝ્યુમ મીન થશે -15. ક્લાસ ઇન્ટરવલ ઓફ x that is 10. So -15 minus -15 that is 0. -15 minus -5 minus plus -15 plus 5 that is 5. 5 divided by -15 plus 5, same way calculate it. -5 plus -15 that is 10. 10 divided by 2 that is 5. 5 divided by 10 that is 1. 5 minus -15 that is 5 plus 15 that is 20. 20 divided by 10 that is 2. 15 minus 15 plus 15 that is 30. 30 divided by 10 that is 3. Here dy is equal to y minus assume mean of y divided by cy. cy એટલે કે ક્લાસ ઇન્ટરવલ ઓફ y, પણ એક y ની અંદર કોઈ પણ ક્લાસ ઇન્ટરવલ આપેલા નથી, પણ એનો ડિફરન્સ આપેલો છે that is 2. બરાબર, દરેક ઓબ્ઝર્વેશનની અંદર એનો ડિફરન્સ આપેલો છે 5 3 7 9 બધા વચ્ચેનો ડિફરન્સ કેટલો છે 2. તો ઈચ ડિફરન્સને આપણે 2 વડે ડિવાઈડ કરી શકીએ અને એ વાય થશે અઝ્યુમ મીન ઓફ વાય થશે 3. નાઉ 3 minus 3 that is 0. 5 minus 3 that is 2 by 2 1. 7 minus 3 4. 4 by 2 that is 2. 9 minus 3 that is 6. 6 by 2 3. Now f dy, this is f, this is dy, એટલે કે dy વાળી કોલમ અને f વાળી કોલમ બે વચ્ચેનું મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન. 0 multiplied by 10 0. 1 multiplied by 15 15. 2 multiplied by 15 30. 3 multiplied by 10 30. Total of this that is sigma f dy. 15 plus 30 plus 30 that is 75. Next, f dy square. This is f dy multiplied by dy that is f dy square. f dy multiplied by dy that is f dy square. Now 0 multiplied by 0 that is 0. 15 multiplied by 1 that is 15. 30 multiplied by 2 that is 60. 30 multiplied by 3 that is 90. 60 plus 90 plus 15. This is 15. 15 plus 60 plus 90 that is 165. 165. Same way in row, this is dx, this is f multiplied by dx that is f dx. 7 multiplied by 0 that is 0. 21 multiplied by 1 that is 21. 12 multiplied by 2 that is 24. 10 multiplied by 3 that is 30. Now total of it 21 plus 24 plus 30 that is 75. Sigma f dx. Same way f dx square. f dx square. f dx square is equal to f dx multiplied by dx. So this column multiplied by dx. 0 multiplied by 0 0. 21 multiplied by 1 21. 24 multiplied by 2 that is 48. 30 multiplied by 3 that is 90. Total of it 21 plus 48 plus 90 that is 159. Sigma f dx square. Now this thing is important for us. Last one, f dx dy. f dx dy. Now what f dx dy in this blue one table frequency is given, that is f, this is dx, this is dy. So આ રીતનું આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલસ મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન કરવાનું છે. 0 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 4 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 0, ધેટ ઇઝ 0. 1 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 6, 6 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 0, 0. 2 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય ડેશ 0, 3 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય ડેશ 0. નાઉ સેમ વે 0 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 3, ધેટ ઇઝ 0 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 1, 0. 1 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 7, ધેટ ઇઝ 7 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 1, 7. 2 multiplied by 10, that is 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10. 10 multiplied by 1, 10. 3 multiplied by dash 0. 0 multiplied by dash 0. 1 multiplied by 8, 8 multiplied by 2, 16. 2 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 3 multiplied by 5, 15 multiplied by 2, 30. 0 multiplied by dash 0. 1 multiplied by dash 0. 2 multiplied by 5, 10. 10 multiplied by 3, 30. 3 multiplied by 5, 15 multiplied by 3, 45. This red marker total is our f dx dy, column wise and row wise also. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0. 0. 7 plus 10, that is 17. 16 plus 8 plus 30. 16 plus 8 plus 30, that is 54. 5 4. 45 plus 30. 45 plus 30, that is 75. Total of this is sigma f dx dy. 75 plus 54 plus 17, that is 146. 146 sigma f dx dy. Same way row wise total 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0. 16 plus 7, 16 plus 7, that is 23. 23. 8 plus 10 plus 30, that is 48. 30 plus 45, that is 75. 75 plus 48 plus 23, 146. 146. This two value is always equal, 146, 146. Now put the equation of R and get value of R. R is equal to n sigma f dx dy minus sigma f dx sigma f dy divided by under root n sigma f dx square minus sigma f dx whole square n sigma f dy square minus sigma f dy whole square, and n means number of observation, that is 50. Sigma f dx dy 146, sigma f dx 75, sigma f dy, that is also 75, divided by under root n 50 sigma f dx square, that is 159 minus 75 no square n 50 f dy square, that is 165 minus 75 no square. Now simplify it. 50 multiplied by 146, that is 7300. 75 multiplied by 75, that is 5 multiplied by 5, 25. 7 multiplied by 8, 56. 5625 divided by 50 multiplied by 159, 7950 minus 5625. Same way, 165 multiplied by 50, that is 8250 minus 5625. 7300 minus 5625. 7300 minus 5625, that is 1675, divided by 7950 minus 5625, 2325, 8250 minus 5625, 2625, 1675. બે રૂટનું મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન કરશું અને એનું આપણે અંડર રૂટ ફાઇન્ડ કરશું. મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 2325 એન્ડ અંડર રૂટ ઓફ ઇટ, that is 2470.45. 470.45, 1675 divided by 2470.45, that is 0.68. This is your R, this is your correlation coefficient, and this is between 0 to +1, so partial positive. Thank you. Next sum આપણે કરશું next session ની અંદર.